Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the revolutionary world of DeFi with Prism, showing you how to launch your own Prism node. Prism isn't just any platform, it's a blockchain revolutionary layer 1 designed to optimize exchanges and the use of yields built on the powerful Cosmos network. We will explore together how to be at the forefront of DeFi innovation, contribute to a more resilient infrastructure, and ideally position ourselves for potential rewards to come. First of all, what is the Prism project? The Prism project is the first layer 1 blockchain dedicated to tokenizing and trading your future yield. It is a beacon of innovation in the DeFi space, introducing a unique approach to asset management via capital and yield tokens. This facilitates a more versatile and secure DeFi environment. With its cross-chain capabilities, Prism promises a new era for DeFi participants. And with an active testnet and an airdrop planned, now is the perfect time to get involved. Before we begin, let's talk about the prerequisites. You will need a system with Linux Ubuntu 22.04 and Docker installed. At a minimum, you'll require a quad-core CPU, 8 GB of RAM, and 500 GB of SSD free storage space. For optimal performance, we recommend a quad-core CPU, 16 GB or more of RAM, and 1 TB of SSD free storage. For hosting, I've chosen Contabo's VPS3 server for its reliability and capacity to meet Linea's technical demands. My Contabo VPS server guide video will walk you through the setup process seamlessly. To get started with Contabo, feel free to use my referral link. Installing a node may seem intimidating, but fear not. I created an Ansible automation script that simplifies the whole process. This means you can deploy, update, and even delete your Prism node with ease, making the journey to Prism as simple as possible. Let's start by preparing the system by updating it and installing Git and Ansible. Make sure you are using the correct version of Ansible. Next, install your Prism node. To do this, we will clone the necessary repository and start the installation using an Ansible script. You must give your node a moniker name. Remember that your node's moniker name is its unique identity on the network. This script installs and initializes a Prism node, configures the environment with the necessary components, downloads the Prism binary, configures Cosmovisor for automatic binary management, and applies the initial node configuration with Genesis and other book files. After deployment, you can check that the node is working properly by consulting the logs. Next, install Prism Feeder. This component is essential to participate in the network validation process. This script installs and configures Prism Feeder, including installing PostgreSQL, creating a Prism Feeder wallet, downloading files required for Feeder to work, and configuring the PostgreSQL database to store Feeder data. Once completed, you will get the Prism Power wallet address necessary to request testnet funds. Save it. This will be useful for the following steps. After installing Prism Feeder, request testnet funds by providing the Prism Feeder wallet address generated at the end of the script execution. Visit the site to get Prism Faucet. You can use a Kepler wallet to verify that the funds have arrived. Then check the synchronization of the node with this command. Synchronization time takes between 30 minutes and an hour. Once the catch-up variable is false, your node is fully synchronized and ready for further operations. Finalize your node configuration by creating a validator and linking it to your Prism Feeder. When launching the script, you will be asked to enter some information to personalize your node: moniker, the name you gave previously details, a sentence of your choice website, your website if you have one, contact info, how to reach you, and finally feeder, the feeder address for your wallet, which you'll have from setting up the Prism Feeder. This script creates a validator in the Prism network and establishes the link between this validator and the Prism Feeder wallet, thus configuring the validator to be operational and connected to the Prism network, and ensures the Prism Feeder functioning correctly. You can verify the status of your validator node by pasting your developer address of the node at this address. The developer address is provided at the end of executing the script from the previous step, creating the validator and linking to the feeder. Congratulations, your Prism node is operational. Additionally, if you want to stop the Prism node and the Prism feeder services, type these commands. To start these services, type these commands. Finally, if you want to delete the node, type this command. And there you have it. You're now ready to launch your Prism node and dive into the DeFi revolution. Join the Prism community on Discord and Twitter to stay informed about the project. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or want to join the conversation, my Discord is always open. Don't forget to fill out the quick survey linked below. Your feedback helps me create content that aligns with your interests. Stay updated and connected by following me on Twitter, joining our Telegram group and Discord server, and don't miss out on our latest videos by subscribing to the channel.